Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know you want to cook amazing meals and recipes like this. Yes, you want to switch up your recipe, or you're trying to surprise someone and you don't know how to go about it. Say no more, I got you covered, girlies and my homies. Yes, so relax, stay tuned. You can actually take me to your kitchen with you and let's cook this together, or you can watch this, watch this and then let her cook up the storm, because I came with top tier secrets, fail-proof recipes that if you do this accordingly, the stew, your fried rice will always bang. Take me to the bank. Yeah, I said that. So first off, the first secret, yes, secret number one, drum rolls, are you there? Roast your tomatoes and your peppers and all whatnots that you like for you. Roast it and thank me later. Like once you roast that, you see that sour taste you complain about. Oh, I get this sour taste in my stew, I don't like it. But that will be a thing of the past. We will go for testimony on Sunday and say, Pastor, the Lord has done it, because our stew came out banging today. So yes, roast that, and then when you're roasting it, another secret number two, try and season with salt and a little bit of bouillon cubes before you pop that into the oven. And in less than 30 minutes you're done. No more I have to boil down my tomatoes, or I have to meal prep. Or for someone like me that cooking stew was very, I say it as a task, because I have to prep this, blend the tomato, cook it down, then prep this, prep that. Now you just have to pop everything, girl mat, everything is going at the same time. You're grilling your chicken, you're roasting your peppers and tomatoes, and just one touch, you're blending and your stew is ready. And the next secret, number one? Yeah, that should be secret number 3. You see this, your herbs and spices, when you're frying your tomato, you're trying to caramelize your onions and the rest. Don't joke with it. Be very generous with your spices, with your herbs, the seasoning and the rest. Because you see, if the base is actually nice, the foundation of your stew is like building a house. Once the foundation is solid, that house is gonna come out good and it's going to stand the test of time. So yes, so apply the same method to your food. So you see, once that base is coming out banging, your oils are infused with lots of herbs, spices, salts, bouillon cubes, and it's tasting amazing already. The oil is tasting good already. You're good to go. And then the next one, you see, for this recipe, you do not need tomato paste. Is actually optional. So if you want to add that, go ahead and add that in. But if you do not want it, our healthy girlies that you're trying to cut down on chemically processed food, we got you too. So with this, you're not even going to miss the tin tomato. You're not even going to notice it's there, because if you notice, I added a little bit, so you're not going to notice anything. Yeah, take me to the bank, my homies. So yeah, if you're trying to surprise a loved one, you're cooking for the family, you're cooking for a party, this is your one-stop shop. Just click this like, the share and the subscribe button, and drop a sweet comment in the comment section. Thank you, I appreciate that. So yes, let's go ahead and put that in and pop. The process is so easy and straightforward from here, so enjoy it. Yeah, see you in a bit. But hold on, don't go nowhere yet, because this video is a 2-in-1. Yes, this is an AWOOF package, buy one get one free. So yes, we're going to also be showing you a fried rice recipe, a quick fried rice recipe for a party, a Sunday dinner, a birthday dinner, a surprise dinner for a loved one. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Don't think this is the end of it. Relax, grab your popcorn. We could cook this together. Don't go nowhere. So yes, let's get ready. So enjoy this and see you in a bit. yes, just like that, our stew is ready. So yeah, how did yours turn out? Yes, I know you're trying this. How is yours going and how did it turn out? So yes, drop that in the comment section if you really love the recipe, or you feel like it doesn't work for you, or whatever it is. Just drop that in the comment section. I would love to know. So yes, how did yours turn out? And I know it turned out nice. So pop your proteins and whatever meat you want to add in there and stir that in. Just cover it for some few minutes, for 5 minutes, for it to to absorb that yumminess, and everything mixes together and your stew is good to go. Now party is ready. Sunday dinner is ready. Yeah, so yes, get that ready. You can eat this with whatever side dish you want: rice, yam, potatoes, whatever works for you, spaghetti, a lot. You can eat this with a lot. So yes, whatever works for you, go grab that side and let's dive in. Let's dive into this. And the good part about cooking this is actually a bulk cooking method, because we get to cook stew again in the next 1 month or 2, depending on how fast we munch on this. But yes, this is also a great bulk cooking tip for like a large family or a single person that just doesn't want to cook regularly. So you make this in a big batch, store that up, and you're good to go for some weeks, some days, some months, depending on how long or how much you eat this. So yes, we're done with number 1. Yes, we multitask over here. So why do one when we can do 2? Why be the average or normal one? We can be extra. Yeah. So yes, let's move along to fried rice. Let's just complete the fried rice recipe. And I hope the first part of the fried rice recipe was self-explanatory for you. But if you still missed out on something and you just want to know what it is, or you have a question, just do well to pop that in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So now let's just do this quick fried rice, frying and the rest. And one part about this, because there are other types of fried rice recipe, but the good part about this type of recipe is that your fried rice gets to last for as much as a week in your fridge. So this is actually a very good method for bulk cooking. Like if you put it in the fridge, it can last for a week and some days, and then in your freezer it's going to last for like months in there, and it comes out testing the same. So that's why this fried rice is great. So if you're making this for a party, it's also great, because if you have leftovers, you have nothing to worry about. It's going to test the same way it did after 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Trust me on that. So pop in your veggies. This is just a very simple method. Popping your veggies. The first thing I added was my liver, but you can do yours with your beef, you can do yours with chicken bites, whatever protein you love and works for you. Yes, there is no norm. There is no this is what we play around with, what we want to play around with. Yes, as long as it kicks, we're in for it. Now pop in your fried rice and fry that to satisfaction. Yes, fry that for like 5 minutes. Mix everything together, allow it to cool and fry, and then repeat the same process again till you're done with the quantity of rice that you want. And look at this beauty. Just look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Please like, share, and subscribe, my loves. See ya.